If you're seeing this message, this is your love reading. At ito ang gustong sabihin sa'yo ni Universe about sa sitwasyon mo. I want you to connect with this reading and think about of a special someone in your heart right now. This person is like trying to find ways on how he will reach out to you because there is a temperance in reverse. So, you are in a situationship. Walang label yung relasyon yung dalawa and naghihintay ka kung ano yung next move niya sa'yo. Parang nakikita ko rin kasi dito na wala kayong communication na maayos and your person wanted to know if